Lesson 1, Complements. What is a complement of a number? A complement is that which relates a number to unity. So, in mathematics, the unity is expressed as 1 or 10 or 100 or 1 with any number of zeros after it. 10 complements. Now let's look at the complements of these single-digit numbers. The complement of 9 is 1 because 9 plus 1 add to 10. The complement of 8 is 2 because 8 plus 2 add to 10. Similarly, the complement of 7 is 3. The complement of 6 is 4. The complement of 5 is 5. The complement of 4 is 6. The complement of 3 is 7. The complement of 2 is 8. And the complement of 1 is 9. Finding the complements of single-digit numbers is easy. But how do we find the complements of numbers that are bigger than 1 digit, like 2-digit, 3-digit, or even 7-digit? What Vedic mathematical principle can be applied? Let's learn. The complement of any number is based on the Vedic mathematical principle of all from 9 and last from 10. The principle that we use is all from 9 and last from 10. So with the help of a few examples, let's see how we can apply this principle to find the complements of numbers. Let's find the complement of 87. We use the principle all from 9 and last from 10. So what we do is we subtract all the digits from 9 and the last digit from 10. In this case, we have only 2 digits. So we subtract 8 from 9 and the last digit is 7 that we subtract from 10. All from 9 and last from 10. That's what the principle states. So we subtract 8 from 9, that's 1, and the last digit is 7. We subtract that from 10. So 10 minus 3, 10 minus 7 is 3. Hence, the complement of 87 is 13. Let's look at another example. Let us find the complement of 624. We use the principle all from 9 and last from 10. We subtract 6 from 9, 2 from 9, and our last digit is 4, which we subtract from 10. So let's do it. So we have 6 from 9 is 3, 2 from 9 is 7, and 4 from 10 is 6, all from 9 and last from 10. Hence, the complement of 624 is 376. Now, let's try to find the complement of a 4-digit number 1437. We apply our principle all from 9 and last from 10. We subtract 1 from 9, 4 from 9, 3 from 9, and 7 from 10. So let's do it. So 1 from 9 is 8, 4 from 9 is 5, 3 from 9 is 6, and our last digit, 7 from 10, is 3, all from 9 and last from 10. Hence, the complement of 1437 is 8563. Let's look at another example. Let us find the complement of 870. Now, an important rule to remember is that if the last digit is 0, we consider the number or the digit before that as the last digit. So, in this case, our last digit will be 7, and we will subtract 7 from 10. So if our last digit is 0, we consider the digit before that to be the last digit, and we subtract that from 10. So let's do it. We apply our principle of all from 9 and last from 10. So 8 from 9 is 1, and 7 from 10 is 3, and our 0 stays as it is. Hence, the complement of 870 is 130. Let's practice. Let's try to find the complements of these numbers. It would be a good idea to pause the video now and try to solve these problems and come back and check the answers. The answers to these problems are here. Remember, we apply the principle of all from 9 and last from 10. Let's practice some more and try to find the complements of these numbers. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Here are the answers to the problems.